Okay, greetings folks. Alright, so I'm hoping the audio is coming through on these last few videos. If you're seeing them, maybe it's just good enough. This camera that I'm wearing, it's on a sort of like a neck loop, and it's just sitting around my neck, so the microphone it's only a few inches away from my chin. It almost touches my chin, so I'm hoping that it's working fine. It's just an action camera. Alright, so the next question is about concentration. What are some hacks to amplify concentration? Now, when you're developing concentration, there's obviously many types. We have all the sense gates. So people are generally concentrating through one of the 5 sense gates, or your awareness could be inward, and it's something within the awareness itself, like a thought form, an idea, a concept, a visual image in the mind, not outside, and so forth. So the mind gate is structured and developed through the sense gates. So to make concentration easy, choose something you're emotionally invested in or forced to invest in. Okay, so let's say you can't concentrate for more than a few seconds, and you go, well, this isn't working, I can't do this. We'll go, yes, I can. Simply pinch yourself, inflict a little bit of pain, not too much, just enough to go, oh, this is something that is going to hold your attention. Okay, getting there. This one might be better. Something that's going to hold your attention. And then pay attention to the feeling quality of the pain. As you pay attention to the feeling quality of the pain, there's an emotional attachment aversion response to it. Some people will feel, oh, my mind's attached to this. Some people go, oh, I want to run away from this sensation. And so there's like a disparity within the mind, or like a splitting of the mind of, I can't run away, but I want to run away. So what I want you to do is totally embrace the sensation and take ownership of it. Recognize, okay, I'm feeling pain. And then as soon as you start to own the sensation, the mind will identify with it differently. The attachment aversion response will fall away, and your mind will start to absorb into the mind substance of the pain. Now from there, as soon as you do that, if you start to release it slightly while paying attention to it, the pain will lessen. Your physiological response will go, yeah, the mind has got the signal, it understands what's going on, and now we can work together to develop concentration through this, you pinching yourself and creating a reaction inside your body. As you develop this attachment to, or concentration ownership of a sensation, it gives you control of the sensation. You are now the owner of what you feel. And as you own what you feel, you can control or increase or decrease those sensations. This is really important because every aspect of life, you're going to be having attachment aversion responses. If you look at the Buddha's words, enlightenment is the release of attachment aversion delusions. So by owning a perception, you can increase and decrease it, and by increasing and decreasing it, the mind raises in frequency, and the potential for ascension exists within the skill. And this is really important to understand with concentration. You're not just locking your mind onto an object and paying attention to it, you're owning your mind's relationship to the object to release it into a state of equanimity so that the mind can ascend. So those of you working with concentration exercises, this is a really, really good method and it's one of many different hacks for increasing concentration quickly. Okay, thanks for your time and see you on the next video.